Achieving your dreams in 5 simple steps. Achieving your dreams is a pursuit that encompasses both personal fulfillment and the realization of your most cherished ambitions. While the path to success is often intricate and unique to each individual, there are some fundamental steps that can guide you on your journey. In this discussion, we'll explore a set of simple yet powerful steps that can help you transform your dreams into reality. These steps, when followed with dedication and resilience, can propel you closer to your aspirations, fostering personal growth and a sense of accomplishment. Whether your dreams are in the realm of career, relationships, personal development, or any other facet of life, these principles are universally applicable, offering a roadmap for turning your dreams into tangible achievements. Number 5. Set clear goals. The first step is to define your dreams and turn them into specific, measurable goals. Make sure your goals are realistic and attainable. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to ensure your goals are well-defined and actionable. Setting clear and well-defined goals is the foundational step toward achieving your dreams. Your goals should be specific, leaving no room for ambiguity. They should also be measurable, enabling you to track your progress and note when you've achieved them. Make sure your goals are achievable and realistic, considering your resources and capabilities. They should be relevant to your aspirations, aligning with your overarching dreams. Lastly, set a time frame or deadline for your goals, providing a sense of urgency and structure. When your goals meet these criteria, you not only have a clear roadmap for your journey, but you also increase your motivation and focus, making it more likely to turn your dreams into reality. Number 4. Create a plan. Once you have clear goals, create a detailed plan that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. A well-structured plan will help you stay organized and on track. Creating a well-thought-out plan is an essential step on the path to achieving your dreams. Once your goals are clearly defined, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Consider what specific actions and tasks need to be taken and in what order. Develop a timeline or schedule to give yourself a sense of structure and accountability. Identify the resources, skills, and support you might need along the way. Continuously assess and adapt your plan as circumstances change or you gain new insights. By having a detailed plan in place, you not only have a roadmap to guide your efforts, but you also gain a greater sense of control and confidence, making your dream more attainable. Remember, a well-structured plan is like a compass, helping you navigate the journey to your desired destination. Number 3. Take consistent action. Consistency is key to achieving your dreams. Take small, consistent steps towards your goals every day or on a regular basis. Procrastination can be a dream killer, so stay committed to your plan and take action, even when it's challenging. Taking consistent action is the engine that drives you towards achieving your goals and realizing your dreams. It's not enough to simply set clear goals and create a plan. You must execute that plan with unwavering commitment. Consistency is about showing up day after day, even when the initial enthusiasm wanes or when obstacles arise. Consistency means breaking your plan into manageable daily or weekly tasks and making a habit of working on them. It's this daily effort that accumulates over time and ultimately propels you toward your goals. Each small step you take, each task you complete, brings you closer to your desired outcome. It's important to remember that consistency isn't just about doing the easy or exciting parts of your plan. It's about tackling the challenging and mundane aspects as well. The ability to push through discomfort, setbacks, and plateaus is what sets achievers apart from dreamers. To maintain consistency, create a routine or schedule that incorporates your goal-related tasks into your daily life. Prioritize these tasks and avoid procrastination. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem. This positive reinforcement can boost your motivation and reinforce the habit of consistency. Stay accountable to yourself and, if possible, seek support or accountability from a mentor, friend, or community that shares your goals. They can help you stay on track and provide encouragement when you face difficulties. In essence, taking consistent action is like fueling a steady flame under your dreams. It keeps you moving forward, and over time, it transforms what might seem unattainable into a concrete reality. Remember that while it may be challenging at times, the reward of achieving your dreams is worth the persistent effort. Number 2, stay motivated. Maintaining motivation is crucial. Find your sources of inspiration and remind yourself why you want to achieve your dreams. You can also track your progress and celebrate small victories to keep your enthusiasm alive. Staying motivated throughout your journey towards achieving your goals is a continuous and essential aspect of your success. Motivation serves as the fuel that propels you forward even when faced with challenges and setbacks. To maintain motivation, it's crucial to remind yourself of the reasons you embarked on this journey in the first place. Reflect on your dreams, the impact they will have on your life, and the fulfillment they will bring. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may be. These milestones are not only evidence of your progress, but also a source of inspiration. Recognizing your achievements reinforces your belief in your ability to reach your goals. Moreover, seek inspiration from others who have walked a similar path and achieved what you aspire to. Their stories and experiences can be a wellspring of motivation, helping you realize that your dreams are attainable. Incorporate positive habits into your daily life, such as mindfulness, gratitude, and self-care to maintain a positive mindset and emotional well-being. These practices can help you stay resilient and focused even when faced with adversity. Lastly, visualize your success. Create a vivid mental image of yourself achieving your dreams and use this vision as a source of motivation. This mental picture can help you maintain a clear sense of purpose and drive. Motivation can ebb and flow, but by drawing from various sources, cultivating positive habits, and staying connected to your dreams, you can consistently reignite your motivation and sustain it throughout your journey towards realizing your goals. Number 1. Adapt and overcome challenges. Along your journey, you're likely to encounter obstacles and setbacks. It's essential to be flexible and adapt to changing circumstances. Learn from your failures and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. Don't give up when you face challenges. Instead, persevere and find creative solutions. On the path to achieving your goals and dreams, you are almost certain to encounter various challenges and obstacles. What sets successful individuals apart is their ability to adapt and overcome these challenges. This resilience is a crucial factor in the journey towards success. Adaptation involves being flexible and open to change. It means reevaluating your strategies and approaches when you face unexpected setbacks or when your initial plan proves ineffective. Sometimes it may even require a complete shift in direction. Adaptation is about learning from your experiences, adjusting your course, and making necessary changes to continue moving forward. Overcoming challenges requires determination and problem-solving skills. Instead of seeing challenges as insurmountable roadblocks, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Analyze the nature of the challenge, break it down into smaller, manageable parts, and develop strategies to tackle each component. Seek advice from mentors, peers, or experts who can provide guidance or alternative perspectives. Resilience and perseverance are key in facing adversity. Expect that you'll encounter difficulties, but remember that these are part of the journey. When faced with setbacks, remind yourself of your initial motivation and the end goal. Drawing on your determination and inner strength, you can push through and come out stronger on the other side. In essence, the ability to adapt and overcome challenges is a testament to your commitment to your goals. It demonstrates your willingness to learn, grow, and evolve on your journey. By embracing these challenges as opportunities and not as roadblocks, you increase your chances of achieving your dreams. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.